Ninth problem. Find the value of half into A plus A transpose and half into A minus A transpose when A is equal to 0AB minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0. This is your given A matrix. By using this A matrix, we need to find these two values. Solution. First take A matrix as it is, then take transpose of this matrix. Changing rows into columns, we are getting A transpose. Next, take A plus A transpose. Here we need to find half into A plus A transpose. First find A plus A transpose. A, that is your A matrix, plus this is your A transpose value, in between plus sign. So guys, add these two matrices. 0 plus 0, 0, A minus A, 0, B minus B, 0. Minus A plus A, 0, 0, 0, 0, C minus C, 0. In the same way, third row also you are getting 0. So guys, half into, we need half into A plus A transpose is equal to half into, you are getting 0 matrix. This is your 0 value. So guys, half into A plus A transpose value, we are getting 0. Next, find half into A minus A transpose value. That is, first find A minus A transpose. That should be equal to, this is your A matrix minus A transpose matrix. A minus A transpose is equal to, in between negative sign, so I subtract all the elements. 0 and minus 0, 0. A minus into minus plus, that is 2A. Here also minus into minus plus B plus 2B. Minus A minus 2A, 0. C, here minus C, minus into minus C, this is plus. So wise, here plus 2C, here minus B, here minus B, minus 2B, minus C, minus 2C, 0 minus 0, 0. A minus A transpose we are getting like this. Next, we need half into A minus A transpose is equal to half into, write A minus A transpose as it is. Next, here A minus A transpose value, here multiply with half as every element. Multiply with 1 by 2 as all the elements. That is 0 into 1 by 2 is 0. 1 by 2 into 2A is 2 cancel. We are getting only A. Here 2 cancel, we are B. 2 cancel, minus A, 0. Here 2 cancel, C. 2 cancel, minus B. 2 cancel, minus C. You are getting 0. This is your half into A minus A transpose value. You are getting A. Again, this is the value of A matrices. So guys, like that we need to find the value of half into A plus A transpose and half into A minus A transpose. In the same way, last problem of 3.2 exercise, that is 10th problem. Express the following matrix as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Here also they mention 4 subquotient. In those 4 subquotient, we need to find sum of, that is sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Already you people are knowing that what is the condition of sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. That is, this is your scalar matrix. Scalar matrix is equal to square matrix is equal to, that is, this is your symmetric matrix plus skew symmetric matrix. Any square matrix is a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Already you people are knowing this condition. Here we need to use this one. Let us solve one by. In these 4 subquotient, I will be solving 2 question. You can solve 2 question. Same method. Here, take first one. This is your first question. Write first one. That is matrix A is equal to, take some matrix A is equal to 3, 5, 1, minus 1. Take transpose of this matrix. You are getting like this. And some matrix A is equal to Find this value, that is half into A plus A transpose value. Already we have the value of A and A transpose. A is equal to, write half as it is, write here A value plus write here A transpose value. Already we are finding this here. Next, A is equal to half into, here in between plus is there, add these two matrices, we are getting like this. Here half into, multiply this 1 by 2 as every element, 2 3s are, 2 3s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are, that is minus is there, minus 1. A is equal to, you are getting like this. Call this is equation 2. Next, find this value. A is equal to half into A minus A transpose, that is A is equal to half into A minus A transpose value. In between negative sign is there, subtract these two element, that is half into, we are getting 0, 4, minus 4, 0. Next here multiply with 1 by 2 as every element, that is 0 divided by 2, 0, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, here 2 minus 2s are, 2 into 0, 0. You are getting equation 3 like this. Substitute. Next, substitute the value of the equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. This is your equation 1. In equation 1, substitute the value of, after solving this one, substitute equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. That is A is equal to, this is the value of equation 2, this is the value of equation 3, this is your equation 1. We need to substitute here all the values. A is equal to, here plus is there, add all the elements. 3 plus 0, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 3 plus minus 2, plus 1, minus 1 plus 0, minus 4. Again you are getting, this is your square matrix. A is equal to 3, 5, 1, minus 1. Again you are getting A matrix only. What is the given? A matrix. Again we need to get A matrix only. This is the procedure of finding sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. In the same way, see second example. This is your A matrix. If you are solving this one, again we need to get same answer, A matrix only. This is your A matrix, transpose of A matrix. Find A is equal to half into A plus A transpose, that is symmetric matrix, half into A matrix plus A transpose, substitute here. Next, add these two, right? Half as it is, add these two matrices, you are getting like this. Next, multiply with half as every element. 2 6s are, 2 2s are, 2 2s are, here 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 3s are. You are getting like this. Next, let us check it out. Skew symmetric. A is equal to half into A minus A transpose. Again, half into, right here A value minus A transpose value. Here in between, write half as it is, in between negative sign is there, so I subtract all the elements. 6 minus 6, 0, minus 2, plus 2, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, minus 2, plus 2, 0. In the same way, if you are subtracting these two, you are getting only 0, 0. So by this is your equation 3. Here also, from equation 2 and 3, substitute in equation 1. This is your equation 1. Substitute all the values. This is your equation 2. In equation 3, you are getting 0. A is equal to, again you are getting A matrix only. So wise, theorem 2 here satisfied. That is, in a square matrix as a sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Next, in this 10th question, we have 4 sub question. I will be solved 2 question. Remaining 2 questions you can solve. That is, see here. This is first question, second question. Here, this one I have solved now. Third one and fourth one you can solve these 2 questions. This completes 3.3 exercise. In 3.3 exercise we have 10 problems. All the problems now I have solved. Remaining I will give you 1 or 2 as homework. You can solve same by using same method. Next class I will start one more. We have one more subtopic. I will solve next class you can solve remaining questions. In 10th question you can solve 2 sub questions.